And sa video na to, pag-usapan natin yung update about sa Omicron variant dito sa Japan. Pero sa atin kasi, syempre, ang pinaka-concern lang natin dyan saan nakapapabilang or saan nakabilang ang Philippines. So, nandito ang Philippines, ito. Ayan. So, kung makikita ninyo dyan, andyan yung Philippines, ito. Hi guys, this is Alan. Welcome back to this channel, Gaijin World. So, naglabas ng news ang Japan Today ngayon para i-confirm na trace ng Japan ang 4th case of Omicron variant infection dito. So, basahin natin yung article. So, according sa news, Japan on Wednesday confirmed its 4th case of infection by the Omicron variant of the novel coronavirus. A man in his 50s with a history of travel to Nigeria tested positive upon arrival at Narita Airport near Tokyo on Saturday, according to the Ministry of Health, Labor and Welfare. The other 103 passengers on the same flight have been identified and their health conditions will be monitored, the ministry said. The man received his first and second doses of Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine in October, it said. Japan confirmed its first case of the Omicron variant on November 30. So far, all 4 cases have been detected at airports as people arriving from abroad were tested for corona infection. So dumako naman tayo sa Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Japan website, and according sa kanilang website, December 8 ay nag-update sila and nakalagay din dito hanggang kailan ang entry ban papunta dito sa Japan, which is November 32, December 31, 2021. Although meron din silang nilagay na mga special exceptional circumstances na kapag ang foreign nationals ay gusto makapasok sa Japan with these exemptions ay pwede naman silang payagan. So currently, all foreign nationals who wish to newly enter Japan need to apply for a visa except for those with re-entry permit. Please note that due to the impact caused by the COVID-19 pandemic, the visa approval procedure may take longer than usual. And kung gusto nyo pang mabasa yung tungkol dito sa mga changes sa measurement or border measurement ng Japan, ay ilalagay ko sa description box yung link na to. Nakalagay din dito kung paano nila i-reinforce yung quarantine measures nila for all the travelers who wish to enter Japan. So may bago silang mga details dito at ating alamin. Reinforce quarantine measures for all the travelers who enter or re-enter or return to Japan from designated countries, regions in response to corona variant Omicron. So may kanya-kanyang mga bansa na idinitalya dito sa website na to na pinapayagan ng Japan na makapasok dito, although kailangan nilang mag-quarantine ng 3 days, 6 days, or 10 days. Meron din namang mga bansa na kabilang ang Philippines na kailangan nilang magstay sa designated na quarantine facility ng Japan government for 3 days, or pwede na rin silang magstay at home and mag-quarantine ng 14 days. So ito naman yung document na tinranslate ko na into English kasi galing ito sa Japan Embassy sa Tokyo, and naka-indicate dito kung ano yung mga measurements na kailangan nilang sundin pag merong gustong pumasok dito sa Japan galing sa ibang bansa. So basahin natin. New waterfront measures for new coronavirus infection in Japan. Change in the quarantine period for returnees and re-entrants from countries and regions with valid vaccination certificates and non-Omicron strains such as Delta strains designated for 3 days. So ibig sabihin nito, possible kang makapasok dito kung meron kang valid vaccination certificate at hindi related sa Omicron itong vaccination certificate na meron ka, dahil bago pa lang yung Omicron. Kaya marami pa silang mga further enhancement na ginagawa sa kanilang quarantine rules. New waterfront measures for new coronavirus infections in Japan. Change in the quarantine period for returnees and re-entrants from countries and regions designated for 3-day quarantine. So, quarantine for non-Omicron strains such as Delta strains and holders of valid vaccination certificates. So, yan na yung nabasa natin kanina. So, may mali lang yung translation dito. Pero, December 3, 2021, a new quarantine period was established in Japan. After midnight Japan Standard Time on Saturday, December 4, those who have returned or re-entered Japan from countries or regions designated for strains other than the Omicron strain who hold a valid vaccination certificate will no longer be required to wait for 3 days. Okay, so hindi nyo na kailangan maghintay ng 3 days doon sa designated waiting facility na inilagay ng CHIP quarantine Okay, so according dito, ayan, who hold a valid vaccination certificate will no longer be required to wait for 3 days at a designated waiting facility at the quarantine station, but will be required to wait for 14 days at home. Instead, they will be placed, ayan, so same din, ibig sabihin yan ay hindi nyo na kailangan magstay ng 3 days doon sa designated waiting facility na itinalaga ng Japan government, kundi pwede ka na rin umuwi sa iyong tahanan dito sa Japan at mag-quarantine doon ng 14 days. As of today, the Philippines is not one of the countries or regions designated by Omicron. So hindi ito kabilang doon sa mga bansa na dineclare ng Japan para hindi payagan or maging mas strict ang quarantine rules. So hindi kasama ang Philippines doon. So we would like to ask you to keep in mind when you return to Japan or enter the Philippines and to confirm the latest information. So according yan sa website ng embassy dito. Since the Omicron strain has been detected in many countries around the world, the details of the inspection and quarantine for entry and return to Japan are being changed on a daily basis as part of the waterfront measures against the new coronavirus in both the Philippines and Japan. Please be aware of this and confirm the latest information when you return to or enter Japan or in the Philippines. So ayan guys, kung makikita ninyo sa website na ito, although in Japanese lang, ay nag-update sila ng December 7, and ito yung mga links kung gusto niyo makita kung ano yung mga bansa na hindi covered ng strict rules or hindi covered ng mas mahigpit na quarantine rules dito sa Japan ay nandito. Subukan nating buksan yung isa. Okay, so ito yung advisory and mga countries na nakalagay dito kung ano yung mga countries or designated countries na mag-i-implement yung 3 days quarantine or yung 6 days quarantine or yung hindi na kailangan mag 3 days quarantine at kailangan na lang nilang magstay sa kanilang mga tahanan for 14 days. So, nakanihongo nga lang ito pero i-explain ko na lang din sa inyo. So, itong number 1 dito. So, from the time na yung Croatia ang binabanggit dito, itong bansa na to, yan. So, sabi nila dito, from none ay magka-quarantine sila ng 3 days. Okay? So, 3 days. So, may mga nabanggit na mga category dito like yung itong 10 days, 6 days, and 3 days. Ito yung mga bansa na pwede na silang magstay sa kanilang tahanan for 14 days at doon na lang sila mag-quarantine. Pero sa atin kasi syempre ang pinaka-concern lang natin dyan saan nakapapabilang or saan nakabilang ang Philippines. So nandito ang Philippines, ito, ayan. So kung makikita ninyo dyan, andyan yung Philippines, ito. Pasok siya doon sa rule na ito, na pwede na silang magstay sa bahay for 14 days. Magko-quarantine sila ng 14 days. So ayan guys, I hope nagustuhan nyo tong video na to, at kung nagustuhan nyo, please like this video and mag-comment na rin kayo. I-share nyo na rin ito sa mga nanghihingi ng update about sa status ng travel ban dito sa Japan. And sa mga patuloy na nanonood dito sa aming YouTube channel at nakasubscribe na, maraming salamat ulit sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta sa aming channel. And sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe at nanonood sa aming YouTube channel, mag-subscribe na kayo and i-hit nyo yung notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa aming mga susunod pang i-upload na videos. And sa mga hindi nakapanood ng aming mga previous videos, puntahan nyo yung aming YouTube homepage and playlist. Okay, punta kayo sa playlist and meron kaming mga playlist dyan regarding sa work in Japan, student visa in Japan, at kung ano-ano pang mga playlist na makakatulong sa inyong pamumuhay dito sa Japan. Ayan, so thank you again for watching and don't forget to check the videos na lalabas dito sa screen. And I will see you on our next video. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Keep safe everyone. Bye.